Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-Star owners using Maryland's UST database. So the first thing I want to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk, and what it has is links to all the UST databases, and they're organized by state. And so if you go to Maryland over here and click on the link, it'll take you to this page. And so what I did was include just March and run a search. And that gave me 178 facilities. And to go into the data, you can see I pulled up one of the records here. And this is the report that you'll get, which has the owner name, their address, contact information, the DBA, and the address of the DBA, along with details on the different storage tanks. That's it for Maryland. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.